Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, students. Welcome back to the computer science class. In previous class, you understood how to use multiple sprites in a Scratch project, right? So today, you'll be understanding about how to use pen block. You will be also understanding the procedure to create duplicate copy of the sprite by using the blocks. And then you'll be also understanding the usage of sound blocks in the Scratch project. So these are all the things you'll be learning in this class. So let us understand one by one in brief. So first, let us get started by understanding about the pen block. So always the pen blocks will be in green color. Okay, children. So how will you identify the block that it is a pen block? You have to see for the color. If the block is in the green color, you have to understand the block is pen block. Okay. So as the name itself indicates, this block is used to control the pen. So now let us understand why we use the pen blocks in Scratch project. So these blocks are used to draw a trail as the sprite moves on the stage. So you'll be understanding this with the help of an example. So let me show you in practical and let me explain it in brief. So now I'll come back from the screen. I'll open the Scratch window. Okay, so this is the Scratch application. So here is the pen block. So always the pen block will be in green color. So here some blocks are there. Let us understand why do we use these blocks. Okay, so here the first one is clear. Hope you can see my screen. So here the first block is clear. So why do we use this particular block is? So it is used to remove all the marks made by the pen or stamps. Okay, as the name itself indicates, it is used to remove all the marks made by the pen, right? Next we have is pen down. Hope you can see, here is the pen down block. So this block will make the sprite continuously draw a trail wherever it moves. Okay, so pen down is used to draw the trail, right? Next is pen up. So next block we have here is pen up. Okay, so this block puts the sprite's pen up. As the name itself indicates, it is used to put the sprite's pen up, right? So next we have is set pen color to. Hope you can see here, set pen color to block. So why do we use this block? It is used to set pen's color to the specified color. Okay, so here is the block, set pen color to. Hope you can see a color is there. So whichever the color you want, you can just set it. So for each and every color, there'll be a code. Okay, so hope you are understanding. Next is change pen color by 10. So here it is, change pen color by 10. So this block changes the pen's color by the specified value. So whatever the value that you'll enter there, so according to the value, it will change the pen's color. Okay. Next is set pen color to 0. Hope you can see here, set pen color to 0 block. So this block sets the pen color to the specified value. Next is change pen shade by 10. Here it is, change pen shade by 10. So this block will change the pen shade by the specified value. So the Scratch is very simple. You can understand what exactly that particular block will do in the Scratch project. Okay, so all the blocks are in simple English words. So just by reading that, you can understand what exactly the blocks will do in the Scratch project. Hope you're understanding this. These blocks are given in your textbook also. So page number 72 and 73. The same blocks, whatever it is there, everything is given in your textbook and its usage is also mentioned there. So please go through it once. It is very simple. It is very easy to understand as it is in the simple English words. Right, children? So next we have is set pen shade to 50. So this block sets the pen shade to the specified amount of value. Next is Set pen size to 1. This block sets the pen size to the specified value. So as you read the block, you can understand what exactly the blocks will do, right? So it is very simple. Now what we'll do is, we'll just do one simple scratch project to understand how the pen block will work. Okay, so let me do it. So I'll just clear all this. Okay, so let us do a simple scratch project now. So let us create a project where the sprite draws a square shape. Okay, so now we have the sprite here, a cat. So this is the default sprite. You all know that. So let us make the sprite to draw the square shape by using the pen blocks. So let us do it. So just go through this, children. So what should be the first block always? It is when flag clicked from the events block. Okay, so let me put it first, and then repeat block. I'll put the repeat block. So repeat, I'll change the value here by 5, right? So whatever the value you want, you can just give it. And then from the motion block, move, here I'll give us 100 steps. Okay, so I'll specify the value as 100. Then I'll give turn 90 degrees. So here it is, turn 15 is the default value. Here you can specify whichever the number you want. So as I want my sprite to draw the square shape, I'll just give as 90 degrees. Okay, so turn 90 degrees. Then I'll use pen block here, pen down. Okay, I'll put the pen down block here and then change pen color by. Change pen color by. So let us use this block. So I'll specify the value here, say 35, right? Next, set pen size to block. Set pen size block, right? Here it is. Set pen size to 5. So here let us change the value. Value is 1. The default value will be 1 there. So you can change according to your requirement. I'll be giving us 5 there. Next again, I'll go to the motion block. So move, again 100 steps it has to move. So here we'll change the value to 100, right? Again turn 90 degrees. So here itself we can put it. So turn 90 degrees, right? And then move 200 steps. Then again turn 90 degrees. So this is a set of instruction that we are giving to the sprite to draw the shape, that is the square shape. Okay, so this is the code. Let us check out how it works now, right? So let us view our program in full screen mode. So we'll just go there, and to run the program you have to click on the green color flag, right? So this is how it works. Let us put the sprite this side still. Okay, we'll give clear here. So to clear, we'll give this, right? So here is the sprite. So let us check it out. It is in the middle now. Okay, so this is how it draws the square. Okay, children, hope you understood how to use the pen block in the scratch project. So like this itself, in your textbook they have given some more scratch project by using the pen blocks. Try to do it if you have got systems in your home. Okay, so that is about the pen block. So now let us understand how to make a duplicate copy of a sprite. So the duplicate copy of a sprite will be done by using the stamp block. Okay, children. So by using stamp block, we can create the duplicate copy of a sprite. As the name itself indicates, if you want to create a duplicate copy of a sprite, you have to use stamp block. So let me show you how to do it. Okay. So next, from the pen block, here is a stamp block. Okay. So the stamp block will be used to create a duplicate copy of a sprite. Okay. Next, from the motion block, I'll give us move 50 steps. So I'll just change the value here to 50, right? And then pen down. I'll give pen down. Next, change pen color by 20. So change pen color by, let us give the value as 20. So the color of the pen will be changed always. So as it moves, the color of the pen will be changed. So just observe when the program is running. Next is set pen size to 20. Okay, set pen size. So here is the block to 20. Let us give the value as 20 here, right? Next, if on edge, it has to bounce back. So if on edge, it has to bounce back. So let us give like that, right? So this is the code to create a duplicate copy of a sprite. So let us run it and check how it works. So to run the project, you have to click on the green flag icon. Okay, so this is how it works. Hope you understood. The color of the pen is changing there. Hope you can observe there. Okay, children. So this is how we'll create duplicate copies of a sprite. So this is a simple program. So by using stamp block, we'll create the duplicate copy of a sprite. Hope you understood this. So this is about the duplicate copy of a sprite by using the code. So next, let us understand about the sound blocks. So sound blocks will be always in pink color. Let me show it. So these are all the sound blocks. Okay, children. So these are all the sound blocks, and the sound blocks provides different blocks to add music to our Scratch project. So if you want to add music to your Scratch project, you can do it by using the sound block. And there will be 13 sound blocks in the Scratch. So in total, there are 13 sound blocks. Okay. So sounds can be added to the Scratch project in three ways. That is, you can choose the sound from library, you can record new sound, and you can also upload sound from the file. So uploading sound from the file means, so whatever the sound which is there in your system, if you want to upload it, you can do it. Okay. So by using upload sound from the file option. Okay, children. So next is record new sound. You can record your own sound and you can use that sound in your project. And the next one is choose sound from library. Choose sound from library means whichever the sounds that is there in the Scratch, you can use it in your project. So let me show it how it is. So here is the sound block. Can you see here? So here is the sound block is there, right? So I have to click on that. And here, if you click on choose sound from library, here itself three options are there. You can see my screen. So the first option, this is the choose sound from library. This is the button, that is record new sound, and this is upload sound from the file. So if you just click on this, here so many sounds are there. So many sounds are available here, and it is also in the category wise itself. Like if you want some animal sounds, if you go for animal, you have got here. Hope you can see my screen. Here bird is there, then chomp, crickets, then dog barking sound. As I'm doing the screen recording, you'll be not able to listen to the sound if I play that also. So these are all some of the sounds that is available. The cat sound, then the horse sound, then wolf sound. So these are all some of the animal sound you'll get. So whatever the project you're doing, so according to your requirement, you can make use of whichever the sound you want. Hope you're understanding. And in this sound library also, this will be categorized. I mean, the sounds will be categorized. Like animals, effects. So in the effect category, we have bell sound, then bubble sound, door creak sound. Like this, different sounds are available. And then pop. Hope you can see my screen. Ripples, snap. So these are all some of the sounds that is available in the effects category. Then electronic category. So these are all computer beep sound, then laser sound, then spiral, oof. So these are all some of the sounds. It is there in the electronic category. Then human sound. So if you want to add human sound, you can do it. Like a cough sound, clapping sound, then crash beatbox, finger snap. So many options are available here. So whichever you want, you can make use of it. And these are all the instruments. So different instrument sounds also available like drum, small cowbell, top conch. So many are there. So many options are there. Then music loops, some light music, some small music bits are also there. Then musical notes, vocals. So these are some of the sounds that are available inbuilt. So these are all present in the Scratch itself. So you can just use it by selecting according to your requirement. Okay. So these are all some of the sounds which is available in choose sound from library option. And next here is the record new sound. So for this, your system should be connected with the microphone. So only then you can record your new sound. Okay. Next you have is upload sound from file. Okay, so if you just click on that, a window will open. So whichever the sound, if it is there in your system, so like if you go to the music, some inbuilt musics will be there. In my system, no musics are there, so you're not getting anything. So if you have got musics in your system, it will show a list of files over here. So whichever you want to add to your Scratch project, you can just select it, and if you just click on open, that will be inserted over there. Okay, so these are all the three ways in which you can add sounds to the Scratch project. So as I said, as I'm doing the screen recording, you'll be not able to listen this sound if I play also. Okay, hope you understood this. And then some blocks are there. Let us have a look on that. Okay, so in the sound blocks, some blocks are there, right? So these are all some blocks. Let us understand the usage of these blocks. Okay, so the first block here is play sound meow. Okay, so that is a block. So you can refer to your textbook, children, page number 74. Play sound, there it is given as meow. Mean this block plays a specific sound without pausing the script, right? Hope you're understanding. Next, play sound until done. So what it will do, this block plays the specified sound, pausing the script until the sound has finished playing. Okay. Next, stop all sound. As the name itself indicates, this block is used to stop the sounds which is currently playing. Okay. Next is play drum 1 for 0.25 bits. So their value you can give whichever you want. So the default value will be that itself. That is 1 and 0.25. That is the default values. You can change to the specified number of beats. So this block will play the drum sound for the specified number of beats. Next is so rest for 0.25 beats. So this block pauses script for the specified number of beats. So it just stops there. Okay. Next is play note 60 for 0.25 beats. So what this block will do? It plays a note from an instrument for a specified amount of beats. Okay. There 0.5 beat is there, right? 0.5 is the default value. You can specify whichever the value you want. According to your requirement, you can specify over there, right? Next, set instrument to 1. So this block sets the instrument to the specified one. Okay. Next, change volume by -10. So this block changes the volume of a sprite by the specified amount. Children, it is very simple. So just by reading to the blocks, you can understand what exactly it will do. Okay, as it is in the simple English words, so you can just understand it easily by looking at those. Next is set volume to 100%. So this block sets the sprite volume to specified amount. There 100% is the default value. You can specify whichever the amount, whichever the value you want. Okay, hope it is clear. So this is about the sound block. So this is how you can use. In your textbook, they have also given one simple Scratch project is there. That is by using the sound block. If you have got systems in your home, you just give a try it once, and then see how exactly the sounds will play in the Scratch project. It is really fun learning this, and it is very easy also. Hope you understood this. So by this, I would like to tell that your Scratch programming chapter has been completed. So go through your textbook once, read the lesson once, and if you get any sorts of doubts regarding any topic, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Have a good day.